Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. This is the project. How sweet is this? This is using the new Rain or Shine suite, and I have die cut from paper my little bunny who's dancing in the rain, and we've got its speciality paper. I will show it to you in detail, although you might have seen it in my showcase that happened between Christmas and New Year, but I have stamped and coloured these. But it's a cute bag, so let me show you the paper. So the whole suite is called Rain or Shine, pages 50 and 51, and it's a speciality. So this particular sheet here, you can die cut the tortoise, the bunny, the two different types of bunny, and then we've got one type of, yeah, just one fox. Oh no, there's three types of bunnies. 2, 3, yeah. So you can die cut those, but you can see that the tortoise shell and the raincoats on the fox and the bunny are all shiny. This one doesn't have dies to match, but you know, you could snip, but their raincoats are all shiny. The umbrellas, or brollies, put it that way up, they're shiny. This is the page that I have used before, so it's the raindrops are shiny, so it's quite a stormy look, that one. And then plain. I should have shown you the back of those. Quite plain. And then I've got more raindrops. Oh, that's one we've looked at, so that's the reverse. Shiny raindrops, and that's the reverse. Oh, that's the reverse of that one. That's the other side of the one that I'm going to cut out. And then we've got like a full scene here, and the rain clouds, or the clouds at the top, they're shiny. That's the reverse. And that's the umbrellas again. So you can die cut some, you could fussy cut others. I'm going to do a bit of everything. Right, so you need a piece of designer series paper that is 6 by 12 inches, 30.5 by 15.25, and you need it to be landscape with your pattern the right way round. If you've got a pattern. I have a pattern. I don't want to do the other, well, maybe I could do the other side. Don't know. No, I plan to do it this side, so I'm going to do it this side. So score it at 2 7/8, 5 3/4, 8 5/8, and 11.5 inches, which in metric 7, 14, 21, and 28. And then on the short side, score it at 2 inches, 5 centimetres. And the bit you want to score is what will be the bottom. So you wouldn't want to score there because your bag would have raindrops going up. We don't want, that would just be like, I don't know, the world coming to an end if your raindrops were going up. Okay, so let me put this together, and then we'll do some cutting. Oh gosh, that's my phone's on loud. Just mute those. There's a text from my husband. Okay. So yeah, a little bit of fussy cutting, a little bit of die cutting, a little bit of everything. Okay, so I'm going to take off a little whisper up there and then remove this bit down here at the bottom with scissors that appear to still have sellotape on them from Christmas, obviously. Okay, so I have snipped all of those to separate. That's going to form the bottom, and I'm going to put some adhesive down here. So let's find some tear and tape. And then you just bring it round and fold it flat. So I want to fold two sides in, and then that part and that bit. And as you can see, it doesn't line up all the way to the edge. So I'm going to put tape on both of those bits. And then you won't get wibblage on your bag. Right, which is the back? That's the back. So we'll do that one first. And then the front. Okay, I'm just putting my hand in to push it down. Right, so I'm going to push in my two sides and let it naturally form this shape. So this is one of my infamous fat bottom bags, because it's got a fat bottom. And I first made this, forever ago. I think it was maybe, I'd been a demo for maybe less than a year, and I was making some treat bags for my boys, and they just loved the fact that it was, I'd named them fat bottomed bags, because, you know, the boys. Right, so here's the stamp set. Here are the dies. You've got lots of dies, more than what you can see here. So I'm going to die cut this time the turtle, I think. Turtle or tortoise, what do you call it? I think that's a country thing. For us, as in the UK, a tortoise is on land, a turtle goes in water. I'm going to have an umbrella. Can I do the big one as well, or is it just, I think it's just the closed umbrella. And I want to say it's this one. Let me check. So here's my umbrella die, and I better get the tortoise out as well. So there's my tortoise, and there's my umbrella. So I'm pretty sure it's this one. Actually, I'm going to take one, and I'm going to take this one at the edge, and you're all screaming at me for butchering my paper in such a fashion. But why not? Okay, and then with some really not very good scissors, I think that's all I'm going to do with the die cutting, actually. And then I'm going to do some stamping as well. Have I got a scrap of basic white? No, probably not. Now I do. So I want my rain clouds, and it's one die. You die cut one, and then they will be, the three will be separate. Whoopsie. So, oh, apparently I re-inked my memento not that long ago. Oops, that's a bit messy now, so I'm just going to clean it. Stampin' Scrub to my right, permanently open. Permanently ready for me to clean. So I'm going to put those away, because otherwise I'm going to get messy and inky. Okay, so let's get some washi and see what happens this time round. And I'm going to get my mini cut and emboss. So don't forget, you can get one of these free if you join my team in July. No, we're not in July at all. We're in January. In January or February during celebration. All the details will be on my blog. Let's de-stickify that a bit. Yep, all the details on my blog for how to join and get a free cutting machine. Mini cut and emboss. Get my little brolly down here. That's too cute, isn't it? Right, and then I'm going to put the whole lot through and die cut everything. So that popped out quite well, probably because it's pre-stamped image. There we go. Oh, it's sticking to me. And there's one. Just peel this quite gently. Two, and my third cloud there. And I'm going to save that for later, and save that one. And I'm going to put all of these dies away because I don't want to lose any. And if you just put them straight away, you won't lose them. You've heard me say it before, don't put it down, put it away. And you lose nothing then. Oh, I've got a bunny on the wrong side. Sort that out. So, a little bit of colouring. So I've got my, whoopsie, balmy blue for my clouds. And I'm just going to take the dark just around the edges and also around there where the sort of the shaded bit is. Not worrying too much about detail, but and just let it blend itself. I love blends. It's so much fun to play with. And that will just sort of settle itself down and the colours will blend out nicely. Right, let's put this back together. So where's the front? Here it is. It's my little turtle, he's so cute. Turtle tortoise. Look, you've got me saying it now. It's a tortoise. I've heard other demos calling it a turtle and I now can't not say turtle. With a little brolly. What if I can get other people to say brolly? Not sure where I'm going to put the brolly, but that'll do. There's some more dimensionals for my clouds. Oops. And that is super cute. I love that it's shiny. The bag's shiny, the shell, the umbrella, the coat shiny. Fabulous. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.